Hello everyone, welcome to the special video on Q1 FY25 result of Voltas. Please go through the disclaimer. So whatever we discuss today is just for the educational purpose. Okay, so it reported an excellent result and achieved an extraordinary milestone of 1 million AC sales in Q1 FY25. There was a significant growth in the volume, 67% YOY in Q1 FY25 in unitary cooling products. Voltas continues to be the market leader both in the split and the window air condition with an exit market share of more than 21% in June 2024. And if you can see the segment wise, you can see the excellent growth in the revenue of unitary cooling products. The other two segments also did really well. Not only the revenue front, but the margin also expanded. There was almost 3% of margin expansion to 8.6% compared to 5.5% in the same quarter a year ago. So this is really good. So after all these excellent margin as well as the revenue growth, we saw that the profit jumped almost 160% to 335 crore compared to just 129 crore in the same period last year. So overall, it was a really good set of numbers. So now, if the numbers are good, what next is when to buy, when to sell. So let's look at from the O'Neill methodology. So according to O'Neill methodology, the stock is forming a stage 1 base. This is a stage 1 base, okay, and it's almost at the pivot. So it just moved above pivot, but currently trading very close to the pivot. So 1560 is the pivot. Volume is already high. So we want a closing above 1560, or we want it to trade a bit for at least 15 minutes, half an hour above this pivot level. So if that happens, we might see a rally to continue according to the O'Neill methodology. Now, when it comes to the ideal buy zone, so 0 to 5% is the ideal buy zone. So from 1560, the 5% from this level will be considered as the ideal buy zone. If you look at the other ratings, the EPS is a bit poor, but I think the results have now started to improve. And with the improving profitability, the EPS will also improve. The price strength is 70, it's a fair, but overall, if you see after today's spike, it is also increasing. The buyer demand is B plus, and the group rank is among the top 40. So that's excellent. Now, if you look at technically the other things, here there was a good accumulation, okay, in the month of April and May. After that, there was a quick fall, but then again the stock started moving higher and now forming a stage 1 base. So the most important point over here is that the stock is having very good support at its 50 DMA. If you can see over here, multiple times it found support at its 50 DMA. Okay. Now, 50 DMA can be used as a stop loss if you are initiating position or if you already have a position. This is according to the O'Neill method. Otherwise, the low of the base is also very important as far as the stop loss is concerned. However, if you are looking for a shorter duration and you are buying just on the breakout and not for the long-term story, the long-term growth of Voltas, then generally we use the pivot as the first stop loss and 7 to 8% as a strict stop loss for any position that is taken. So that is the analysis of Voltas result as well as the chart. Thank you for watching the video. We'll come with more such videos. Thank you.